Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you how easy it is to fill an external application connected to our MAGIO circulator. If you haven't seen our video about how to connect an external application, make sure to check it out first before you're proceeding. After you connected the external device, connect the MAGIO to the mains voltage and turn it on. If a signal for low liquid level appears, make sure that the bath tank is filled with enough fluid. Before you press start, check the safety settings to ensure that the correct temperature range is used and that the maximum pressure is applicable for your application. After pressing start, you can hear the pump running and the fluid will fill the jacket of the reactor. Please make sure to keep the liquid level of the bath tank constant and add fluid evenly as soon as necessary. The air will automatically be expelled while filling the system. If the liquid level remains constant, wait a few more seconds before stopping the process. This way, we can ensure that the whole system is degassed. Now, your external application is ready to use. But don't forget to turn on your stirrer. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.